I remember from the start, didn't know what I was doing, but I was learning you by heart, learning you by heart. I couldn't wait for graduating, get gone, have myself a ball. But my voice inside kept whispering, I want you most of all. I could hear that train at midnight calling me away, but you kissed me in the moonlight. Oh, I knew that I would stay. Live my life beside you, never want to be apart. And I've grown in understanding, learning you by heart, learning you by heart. Through all our years of living, I come to realize I've been learning love forever, looking in your loving eyes.